Absolute Extra, which I will leave the link of the video in the description box below. With it is a wall mount charging station. However, we love moving things around here every now and then. That's why we bought this DYSON V11 freestanding charging dock. So let us open this one and set it up afterwards. So we've got here like the actual stand is pretty light as well. It's kind of like aluminium. The manual, which we will read through later on. Then the charging unit there. And lastly, we've got the base. It's actually quite heavy. So there, and there's some non-slip thingy at the back. So let us start setting this one up. So let us now assemble this one. We will start with the main support. So it won't matter which way it goes, so it's just pretty much the same. We just have to make sure though that this bit here goes at the very back. So red to red, push it in until you could hear a click and it's in the position. Now let's put this one down and let us follow the charging cradle. Again, make sure that this red bit here is at the back. Red to red again, push it in until you could hear a click and it's in the position. Followed by the charger, which is provided already with the DYSON V11 Absolute Extra that we bought. So make sure that this bit here goes into that hole there and just follow where it goes. And that's just gonna slowly pull through there. And see that cradle there? This should just sit in. And we will close this one. And then just push. That's it. And then to keep the cable tidy, we just have to keep pushing it into the slot there. And then secure it with a cover. That's it. So let us now go and get our vacuum and try and put it on as well. So now that our standing dock is fully assembled, we can now put in our vacuum. Push it in, and then that's it. And then this area here is for your extra tools that you've got in your DYSON V11. You can just clip it in. And there you go. So that's why we bought this freestanding dock, so we could put it anywhere we wanted to and we could move it around wherever we wanted as well. So I think that's all for now, guys. Please don't forget to like, press the red button down below to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified of my new videos. And please remember, be nice, be kind, be human. Keep safe, everyone. Bye!